How to answer calls on Android by simply lifting your phone. Hey everyone, did you know that as an Android user you can answer calls just by lifting your phone to your ear? It's a super handy feature that can make your life a lot easier. Let me show you how to turn it on. First, open your Settings app. You'll find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Navigate to Gestures. Next, scroll down and tap on the Gestures menu. Enable Lift to Ear. Find the option that says Lift to Ear to answer calls and switch it on. Once that's enabled, whenever you get a call, simply lift your phone to your ear and it'll answer automatically. This feature is great when you're on the move and can't easily handle your phone. Just lift it and start talking. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Android tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy hands-free calls. Stay tuned for more tips to enhance your Android experience.